swimsuit season, but who out there doesn't want a swimsuit body year-round? We all do, right? Well, it's just like our next guest, Jennifer.
Growing up, I was always super skinny. Once I was in high school, I started doing swimsuit competitions and swimsuit modeling. My favorite season, absolutely 100% summer. I love warm weather, I love the beach. Then when I got pregnant, which was wonderful, but I got really massive belly, and no matter how hard I try, my stomach just won't go back to normal. When I look in the mirror now, there's this saggy, loose skin with cellulite on my stomach. So now, I'm very uncomfortable being in a swimsuit. I look at the swimsuits, I still buy them, I still see them and want to fit in them, but you'll always find me in my mommy cover-up. It seems like I've tried everything, I've done every diet. What I'm doing myself isn't working.
Now, as we always talk about diet and exercise, obviously the most important ways to keep your body toned throughout the year. But at the same time, there are some treatments that can help you out. And we actually invited Jennifer to come here today. She's meeting with Dr. Orden as we speak, about to do a new treatment. They're back in our procedure room. So, Dr. Orden, what do you have planned?
We're ready to go. Well, what we have is called the Venus Freeze Treatment. What we're doing, we're freezing time. This is a new product, non-invasive treatment to do a number of things. To improve cellulite, to tighten your skin, and to actually reduce volume, remove a little bit of that excess tissue, excess fat. Just a little caveat in general, to get the best results with this treatment, 6 to 10 treatments. But before we start, let's take a look at Jennifer before we started a couple days ago. So look at that. She's had one baby and she has a little extra fat, doesn't want to undergo surgery. What I'm talking about here is a completely non-invasive procedure. Are you ready, Jennifer? You've already been through this.
I am.
So what we're doing, we're generating heat, and it's also the magnetic pulse. So I apply this on here. I want to keep gently moving, sort of like slowly waxing a car. Circular motions, but then I also want to get a little fancy with some contouring to get some oblique definition here, right? I want to work up and down on those rectus muscles. Are you feeling a little heat?
It feels very nice.
Working that in. So I need to work here for about 10 to 15 minutes on this particular treatment. But, you know, it's really cool. It's different, subtle, without surgery.
Well, and Jennifer, you seem to be enjoying it, so we're going to let you finish up back there. Thanks so much, Jennifer.
Up next, did the stomach treatment work? We have Jennifer's results next.
So we're going to look at your before photo, if we may, and compare it with where you're at right now.
Wow, that looks great.
Thank you, Lisa. And I do want to get back to the results from the Venus Freeze treatment that Dr. Orden was doing before on Jennifer. So we're going to look, Jennifer, at your before photo, if we may, and compare it with where you're at right now.
Wow, that looks great.
And you can
That's
still,
awesome.
you can see that we just did this for Jennifer. She's still red, a little bit of erythema, but that's a result of the treatment. All she needs now is her sheer tan on there. And she used to be a bathing suit model.
I'm good.
I think
yes.
you're looking good.
That is awesome.
And you're happy?
Absolutely.
Glad you enjoyed it.
It's really fabulous.
And ideally, a few more treatments to get the best result.
Sounds great.